students, good morning everyone. Welcome to all of you in mathematics class. In previous class, we had discussed about the topic some specific angles of trigonometry ratio such as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, and also finding T ratio of different angles by geometrically already solved in previous class. Today I am going to start exercise 8.2. Firstly, let's quickly recap what we have done in previous class. Dear friends, in previous class there are 60 ratio: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. If angle is A, then value of sine 0 is 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, and sine 90 1, and cos 0 degree is equal to sine 90 degree, cos 30 degree is equal to sine 60 degree, root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is equal to sine 45 degree, that is 1 by root 2, and cos 60 degree is equal to sine 30 degree, that is 1 by 2, and cos 90 degree is equal to sine 0 degree, that means 0. And tan, we know that tan equal to sine by cos. Sine by cos means 0 by 1 is equal to 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 2 cancel. So sine 30 1 by root 3, sine 45 2 root 2 cancel 1, tan 60 degree 2 cancel. So tan 60 root 3, and tan 0 by sine by tan equal to sine by cos, that means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. So not defined. And just reciprocal of cot 0, reciprocal of tan 0 equal to 0. So cot 0 equal to infinity. Cot 30 degree equal to root 3. Cot 45 1. Cot 60 1 by root 3, and cot 90 0. Sec reciprocal of cos. So sec 30, sec 0 1, sec 30 2 by root 3, sec 45 degree root 2, sec 60 degree 2, and sec 90 degree not defined, and cosec 0 not defined, cosec 30 2, cosec 45 root 2, cosec 60 reciprocal of sin 60 2 by root 3, and cosec 90 1. This is a all T ratio: sin 0 degree to 90 degree, cos 0 to 90 degree, tan 0 to 90 degree, cot 0 to 90 degree, and sec 0 degree to 90 degree, and cosec 0 degree to 90 degree. Dear friends, we observe that sin, if angle is increased, that means 0 to 90, value of sin is 0 to 1. That means if angle is increased, value of sin is increased. If angle is increased in cos, value is decreased. So in sine, angle increase, value increase. In cos, angle increase, value decrease. So this is a all T ratio sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec and angles 0 to 90 degree. Now I am going to start exercise 8.2. Let us move to other topic. Your first question of exercise 8.2 is sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree. Dear friends, sine 60 root 3 by 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus sine 30 1 by 2 and cos 60 1 by 2. So root 3 into root 3 3 and 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 1 1 2 into 2 4. So LCM 4 3 plus 1 that is 4 by 4 equal to 1. So value of sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree equal to 1. This is your answer. And next question is rest question of 1 you solve in same way. Now I am going to start question number 2. Choose the correct option. Your first question is 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Dear friend, tan 30 2 tan 30 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan 30 1 by root 3 square equal to 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 into root 3 3 you 2 by root 3 by LCM 3 plus 1 that is 2 by root 3 by 4 by 3 is equal to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. 2 to the 4 and root 3 into root 3 that is root 3 by 2. And your given option is sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 and sin 30. So which T ratio value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 that is sin 60 and sin 60 is your option is. So your correct option is 1. So your correct option is 1. So you solve in same way other question of question number 2 and I am going to solve question number 3. Let us move towards the question 3. Dear students, your question 3rd is tan A plus B equal to root 3 and tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3 where 0 degree less than A plus B less than 90 degree. That means value of A plus B lie between 0 and 90 degree and A greater than B. So find angle A and B. Given that tan A plus B equal to root 3. Dear friends, tan A plus B equal to root 3 and root 3 is tan 60 degree. So instead of root 3 is written as tan 60 degree. Since tan 60 equal to root 3. So root 3 equal to tan 60. So therefore A plus B, since tan A plus B equal to tan 60. So A plus B equal to 60. Similarly, and tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3. So tan A minus B 1 by root 3 tan 30 degree. So tan A a minus b equal to tan 30. So a minus b equal to 30 degree. So a plus b equal to 60 degree and a minus b equal to 30 degree. Adding first and second, we get a plus b equal to 60 and a minus b equal to 30. A plus b equal to 60 and a minus b equal to 30. B cancel. So 2a equal to 90. So a equal to 45. Since a equal to 45, so from first b equal to 60 minus 45. That means 50 degree. So a is greater than b. This is your answer. And question 4 is find state whether the following are true and false. Since sin a plus b equal to sin a plus sin b, so no, because here sin a plus b, that means given angle. So sin a plus b equal to not equal to a sin a plus sin b. And the value of sin theta increase as theta increase. So yes, value of sin theta is increased. So theta increase, then value of sin theta is increased. So since 0 to 1 in sin, the value of cos theta increase as theta increase. The value of cos theta increase, value of cos theta increase, then theta increase. So no, here 1 to 0. So theta angle increase, that means theta increase, value of cos decrease. Your statement is false. And sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. No, all values of theta, only sin and cos 45, both value are same. And fifth, cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. So cot A, yes, cot A is not defined for A equal to 0, since cot 0 equal to not defined. So dear students, your exercise 8.2 is finished. So today's class is over and your homework is do exercise 8.2 with examples. Thanks, have a nice day.